Okay. The Honorable Betty Merritt. Honorable Mark Antonio Santo Tomas. Honorable Yolanda C. Arugay. Honorable
I love you, Mommy, Daddy.
Chico, Carla Chico.
Hi, Tita. Hi,
Honorable
Tito.
Jamila A. Fire, the other or chair for this event. Honorable Amelia
Naka-red
D.
sila.
Rosales. By the power vested in me as chair of the Board of Nursing, I will now administer the oath of profession. So please raise your follow after me. I
I,
state your name and residence.
Jewel Elistito Racimo, Pampanga,
Metro Manila. Manila.
Solemnly swear
solemnly swear
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines.
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same,
That I will obey the laws, legal
That I will
orders,
obey
and
the-
executive orders
that I will obey the laws, legal orders, and executive orders
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
promulgated by the
of the Republic of the Philippines. That I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily
that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental
or
reservation
purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
I further solemnly swear
I further solemnly swear
all times and places
at all times and places
I will adhere closely
I will adhere
to
closely
ethical and professional rules
to the ethical and professional rules
generally accepted by the nursing profession
generally accepted by the nursing
in
profession
the Philippines.
in the Philippines,
That I will well and faithfully discharge
and I will well and faithfully
to the
discharge
best of my ability
to the best of my ability
the duties and obligations
the duties and obligations
incumbent upon a legally authorized
incumbent upon a legally authorized
nurse practitioner.
nurse practitioner.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations!
Congratulations.
Yay, Juliet.
Thank you, Honorable Carmencita M. Baki. You may now proceed.